yes, episode 27 out of 122. That's right. So it's been a fun day. I've been in London, but I'm back at home and I had to do the video. So for new people, I always love to come to CoinMarketCap. This is episode 27, Smart Money to Blockchain Freedom, Cryptocurrency Basics. So for brand new people, I suggest you go to coinmarketcap.com. As you can see at the top, the web address there. Because, you can get a bit of a flavor. It gives you the top 8,000 cryptocurrencies. You can see the top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. Tether's a stable coin, so it just stays at $1. It's useful to send to other people because it's not volatile, right? Then you've got XRP, BNB, Solana. DC is also a stable coin, also pegged to $1. And you've got Dogecoin. So I tell people, have a look at the top 10 coins, okay? And go and have a look. Go do your research, right? So you could go into Solana, for instance. At the moment, it's $201. And you can always look at the all-time chart. And you can go back, say, 3 years is a good time to go back. And then you can actually look at the price. So 2 years ago, let's see if I get 2 years. So it's about the 9th month. So 2 years ago, one Solana was $19, and now it's $200. Okay, so do your research, right? Because I've got something called dollar cost averaging, where you buy a little bit over a long period of time, and therefore it's not like you're buying a lump sum, because you buy some when it's low, you buy some when it's medium, you buy some when it's high, and over like a 3 to 5 year period, it actually levels out. So dollar cost averaging is very powerful. 3 to 5 year plan. The top 10 cryptos. So that's Solana. You could start dollar cost averaging. And you might say, David, where can I buy these cryptos? Very, very easy. You can head over to my website if you want, performingmarkets.com. Here, I help people start a portfolio. I recommend getting a Revolut account. You can just scroll down and click on the link and install Revolut. There's another exchange where you can buy crypto called Nexo. Just register, upload a couple of documents. Very, very easy. And there's another one. So you've got a choice, right? And then there's something called Kraken as well, where you can buy crypto in minutes, just like opening a bank account. Okay, so that's where you can buy crypto from. So if we go back, you can also, I love looking at Bitcoin's all-time chart. It's absolutely eye-opening, because here you can actually go look at all-time, and you can go back 5 years. So you can go back to 2020, and you can look around about the same month. Bitcoin was $10,000 or 10,500, right? 109,000. Imagine if you dollar cost averaged like £100 a month, because on Revolut, you can do a recurring buy, and you can buy every single month on automatic. So you could just leave it for 3 to 5 years, right? Dollar cost averaging, super, super powerful. So I wanted to mention that. And then, yes, I've got a project I'm promoting. It's called a Pertum. I think this token's got huge scope. At the moment, the coin is only $1.24, right? We are already ranked 445 out of 9,514 coins out there. We've got a profile score of 92. You can have a quick look here. What does it mean? It just means the profile score is a measure of the completeness and freshness of data provided by the project to CoinMarketCap. Information that is missing or incomplete, example, missing token unlocks project description. So it will be a lower profile score. So 92% is pretty impressive. Also, we've got a community of 83%, which is pretty impressive. So, yeah. So I wanted to share that with you. And then you can also go down and you can have a look a bit further. You can see we've got a bit of a description here about a Pertum. And a Pertum is a leading general layer 1 blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem, built to deliver high performance, scalability, and long-term sustainability. Also, the Apertum Foundation, the project or the blockchain was launched in this year, the 30th of January, and the actual Apertum token was officially launched 19th of February. So we're 7 months old. Imagine this coin where it could be in 1 year. So what I'm going to show you is how you can accumulate this coin, Apertum. Okay. First of all, how you can accumulate it is you can create an account with DAO1. In the description below in the video, you will see some links, and you can click on the links, and there you can actually create an account. So super easy. I think I can actually maybe show you because I've got a video here. Let's have a look here. My videos. I'm doing a video a day challenge, and if I go to look at the description of this video, just to give you an idea where you can actually find the links, and I'll just actually show you. So in the actual description of the video, you just come down.
Yes.
You just stop there. You just come down, and this is the link here, the link hub link. You can click it, and you can watch a video on the DAO1 project. It's 7 minutes long, and then this is how you can actually join the DAO1 project. You come down here, and then you just basically click on register. And then register project. If you're not familiar with wallets and things like that, then you can get a custodial wallet, which is email and password. If you're familiar with crypto wallets, then you can get the self-custodial wallet. So easy as that. So let's go back. So how can you accumulate these coins? First of all, when you've registered an account, you could simply just go to the app. You can go to the DEX, and you simply could just swap USDT for the Apertum token. As simple as that. You could just swap USDT. You can send USDT to your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, I've got it up there. And that's how you can accumulate Apertum tokens. That's one way. There's another way. We've got a promotion at the moment where we've got 5 products that you can purchase. Let's look at this 501, the Radiant. And let's have a look here, view details. So what do you get is you get a trading bot. What does a trading bot do? This is AI, right? So what it does is it simply buys low and sells high and accumulates these coins. So if you look at the chart, when it starts going low, it buys. When it goes up, it sells. And it accumulates these Apertum tokens on automatic. Okay. Then you've also got a mining bot where you can mine the coin and accumulate more token and more Apertum, right? So that's 2 things. So how cool would it be if you can accumulate, accelerate, okay, and automate? Those 3 words. Accumulate, accelerate, and automate. So accumulate by getting a smart crypto trading bot, and also getting a mining bot. And the crypto trading bot, right, is AI. Right, so basically, it's automated. It does it 24/7. Same as this smart mining bot. It's automated. So you've got those 3 things working for you. Accumulate, because these products accumulate Apertum, and then you're going to accelerate because the AI is doing it for you, and you're going to automate, which is AI as well. So you've got those 3 things, right? And then also you can swap USDT for the token. So that's 3 ways you can get the token. But the other 2 is automatic, which is awesome, right? And then I've got something very awesome to show you. Then you've got something called liquidity pools. So imagine you are a bank. You give the bank money, they put it in a savings account, for example. You get interest, but they use that liquidity for something else. Now, how cool would it be if you can put liquidity in a decentralized platform, meaning you own the funds. It's in your wallet. You can take it out anytime. There's no middleman. You're directly in control. How cool would that be? So what you can do is, for our token, there's a pair. It's wrapped. It's USDT and Apertum together. So you put in together. So what I do is I do a cappuccino a day, for example, and I do $2 in Apertum and $2 in USDT. So $4 a day I put into this pool. I'll show you how I do it. So yeah, now how cool would it be to get 28% interest per annum? This interest rate goes up, as I've seen it, up as high as 100%, depending on the transactions. You can see the more transactions, the more fees, and then the more rewards. And I've seen it as low as 10. So on an average, it's between 20 and 30% per annum, which is pretty cool. Plus, you're bagging all of these apertum, right, with the AI bot, trading bot, the crypto trading bot, and then the smart mining bot. Okay. And that's working on automatic. And you put some money in the liquidity pool as well. So it's like three things working together. I've got an awesome image here to show you. So it's like wealth tripod. So you've got the mining bot, the crypto mining bot, the trade bot, and the liquidity pool, all working to, I call it smart money, right? So I wanted to share that with you. Okay. So one other thing I want to just touch on briefly, we do have a something called a DeFi, okay, which is this part here where you can actually put into the liquidity pool. And I wanted to just go to ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT, what are the benefits of DeFi? And let's see what ChatGPT says. This is powerful stuff. So the benefits of DeFi, decentralized finance. Banks are centralized. Okay. This is decentralized. Let's see. Accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection and crypto wallet can access DeFi services. No need for bank credit checks or intermediaries. Opens financial services to be unbanked and underbanked worldwide. Ownership, control. You keep custody of your assets. You hold it. No bank or third party can freeze your funds. Transparency. All transactions on the blockchain are viewable by anyone. So higher potential yields, because you saw here 28%, right? So higher potential yield, staking, lending, liquidity pools, which are going offer higher returns than traditional banks. And availability, DeFi is never closes, unlike banks and stock exchange. You can take your money out anytime. Borderless, you can send, received investment across the world instantly. Innovation, programmable money via smart contracts, which is code. New financial products, automated market makers, open source, reduced costs. So in short, DeFi gives you control, transparency, and access to your to opportunities banks don't offer. So wanted to share that with you. So have a great evening. I hope you find this useful, and I will be back tomorrow for episode 28 of 124. So grab yourself an account and look at the crypto trading bots and the mining bots and the liquidity pool. Have a fantastic evening and bye-bye.